Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to show you on how to disassemble and assemble a system unit. The system unit is the box-like case that contains the electronic components of a computer. Many people erroneously refers it as the CPU. Other names for the system unit includes the computer chassis, cabinet box, tower, enclosure, housing, and or simply case.
The disassembling of the computer system starts with external equipment. Bus touch. Make sure the computer system is ready. Now then successfully shut down the system and then start detaching the external device from the computer system.
Floppy disk drive. This is a disk drive that can read and write floppy disks, although they are obsolete nowadays. This drive has been replaced by the USB flash drives in modern machines.
Power Supply Unit. The Power Supply Unit PSU is used to convert AC currents from the main supply to the different DC voltages required by various computer components. A standard power supply would typically be able to deliver around 350 watts. You will need more power from the power supply if your PC has more operating components.
CD-ROM drive. This is a high-capacity optical data storage device with a removable disk. It writes data onto or reads data from a storage medium.
Optical drive refers to a computer that allows users to use DVDs, CDs, and Blu-ray. Optical drive.
RAM is considered volatile memory, which means the stored information is lost when there is no power. So RAM is used by a central processing unit or CPU when a computer is running to store information that it needs to be used very quickly, but it doesn't store any information permanently.
A hard disk drive is high-capacity, non-volatile, magnetic data storage device with a volume that is usually non-removable. Data is magnetically read and written on the plotter by read and write heads that float on a cushion of air about that plotter.
The motherboard is sometimes called the system board or mainboard. It is the main circuit board of a microcomputer. This component contains the connectors for attaching additional boards. All other parts connect in one way or another to motherboard.
Integrated Drive Electronics is a standard interface for connecting the motherboard to storage devices such as hard drives and CD-ROM or DVD drives. The original IDE had a 16-bit interface but connected two devices to a single ribbon cable.
A computer case provides two things for a computer. First, it provides a standard format for the installation of non-vendor specific hardware. Secondly, it protects that hardware and helps to keep it cool.
The assembling of the computer system is exactly opposite of disassembly operation. Before starting assembling the computer system, make sure you have the screws and screwdriver for those.